Hey guys, hi. So we are going to try to solve this new question. Once again, this is from genetics. So bilkul bhi, it is going to be very easy. Just try to understand the basic logic and follow the instructions. Okay. Now it's advisable that you solve before you are looking at the solution. So if this is the moment that you are solving, push the pause button, try to solve it on your own, and then look at the solution. Okay. Now I hope you have done that. Let us go and try. The allele for red flower color is a certain plant. In a certain plant is incomplete dominant with the allele with the white flower. Now, what is codominance, incomplete dominance, and complete dominance? Complete dominance means one allele is enough. Okay, so complete dominance means if this was big R, small r, the flowers would be red. That is the case of complete dominance. What is the case of incomplete dominance? If it is big R, small r, the flower would be neither red, neither white. It would be a blend, somewhere in between. The final phenotype would be somewhere pink. Why? Because the small r allele does not produce any pigment, and that is why overall the pigment was produced in reduced quantity, because of which you have this pink. Okay, what is the case of codominance? If it was codominance, then you would have patch of red and patch of white. Some parts of the flower would be red in color and some parts of the flower would be white in color. Simple logic. Okay, so this is how our dominance or codominance or incomplete dominance works. Okay, so we'll do this. We'll with every question we'll try to quickly revise the concept as well. Okay, now the allele for red flower is a certain plant is incomplete dominant. That means we are trying to talk about pink flower. A plant with a genotype RR dash. Now here they are representing small r with R dash. Now it is one of the common tricks that some questions pull you. They will change the way that you are used to writing the genotype. If you are doing that, what will happen is you might get confused. So there is no need to get confused. Simply what they have done is change the way. So R dash. So thus a plant with genotype R dash has pink flowers. Tall is dominant over dwarf. So once again, we understand in the Mendelian way, we would have written the tall plant as big T, right? And the dwarf as small t. That is what we are used to doing. Okay, but here the situation is reversed. They are using small d and big D. Okay, now what have they done? They have done a cross. So let us first write the genotypes of the cross. So big R dash, small d is multiplied with R dash, big D, small d. The first important job that you have, sorry, my mobile sometimes gets activated. The first important job that you have is very simple, write the gametes. So from the first individual, what would be the gametes? Big R, small d, big R dash, small d. So big R with small d, R dash with small d. The only two gametes. What are the gametes here possible? R dash with big D and R dash with small d. So R dash big D, R dash small d. Simple Punnett square, right? So we write the gametes of one individual on the top, another individual along the sides. All we do is now simple crossing. So first is big R dash, big D, small d, big R dash, small d. We are combining, okay? We are combining and writing them. I hope my head is not, my head is not blocking the view. Now, once again, R dash, big D, small d, R dash, small d, small d. So what are the four or whatever number of genotypes? So the first one, R dash, right? The first one is R dash. That means first one is pink. And since we have a capital D, that means the first one is tall. So pink and tall. Second one, sorry, the R, yeah, R dash. So R dash is pink. I want to remind you R dash is pink. R would be red and R dash white. So first one is pink and tall. Second one, once again R dash. So once again pink and small d. If we have small d, that means this guy is dwarf. Very good. Third person, R dash, that means this person is white, and big D, that means it is tall. Last one. Last one is R dash, so white and dwarf. So these are the four people, four genotypes, and all are in the ratio 1:1:1:1. So the only answer that fits is this. 50% are tall. Is this correct? 50% are tall? Correct. 50% are tall. 50% are dwarf. Correct. 50% are dwarf. 50% are pink. Correct. 50% are pink. 50% are white. Once again, correct. So you see, these questions are not very difficult, beta. It's just that you need to have the patience to work it out. Okay, simple. Now, this is the next question, INJSO 2009. So we'll solve this in the next class. Please ensure that you do some work and come back. Okay, cool.